Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badiani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NME-ICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn nature of marketing.
Hello and welcome to e-Content on Marketing Management. Today we are going to study nature of marketing. Let us first understand the definition of marketing. Marketing is a social and managerial process through which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and exchanging products of value. The definition given by Philip Kotler. The definition includes so many facets. Out of the facets, the nature of marketing comes. If we try to study the nature of marketing, we say we have to divide the definition in several parts. The first point which strikes in mind is marketing is a process. Of course, yes, marketing is a process. It is a process which includes so many things. The process has got steps. Marketing has got steps. The process has got conversion from some input to some output. Of course, yes, marketing has. So marketing is a process. The second point strikes in mind is marketing is an integrated process. Well, nobody in the society can stand alone, as we are social animals. When we are social, we are integrating ourselves with so many activities, so many things in our life. So many persons are integrated in our life. So many things, so many activities are integrated. So marketing is an integrated process. If we try to say that, we say it must integrate several things. It must integrate several studies, several disciplines like psychology and sociology and behavioral studies and culture and subculture and whatnot. So marketing integrates everything. Marketing is an integrated process. The third point which comes in our mind is marketing is a social process. Of course, yes. Marketing involves two or more persons and it is social. Well. Social and integrated. Two terms are different. When we say integrated, it is integrated with activities too, things too. When we say social, it is about mankind. Because on this earth, there is only mankind which is social animal. Well, that's why we can say marketing is a social process. Well, next point comes out of the definition is marketing is a managerial process. As marketing involves all management functions like planning, organizing, leading and controlling. That's why we can say marketing is a managerial process. Well, if we try to say marketing has to do something, if not anything, with customers, we are never wrong. Marketing involves customers, well, consumers too. Customers may be initiators, influencers, decision makers, purchasers, users or consumers and disposers. Well, consumer is a part of that customer who consumes. Exactly. So you say marketing is a customer oriented. It takes care of initiators, those who initiate the needs. It takes care of influencers. I mean to say those influence the decision of purchasing or not purchasing. It includes decision maker themselves. It includes purchasers. I mean to say those who exchange the product with money. Those who exchange the product with product, or those who are going for a mixed transaction, neither barter nor monetary. Well, that's why marketing is customer oriented. Marketing is consumer oriented because those who consumes, marketing takes care of them too. Marketing is disposer oriented too, those who disposes of this product. Maybe a second-handed car or maybe a wrapper of a chocolate. The packaging disposing. I mean to say marketing takes care of all roles of customer, and that's why we can say that marketing is customer oriented. Well, let us say marketing is a system. A system has got definite characteristic which talks about, you can say, input, process and output. So marketing is a system. Well, some inputs are there. Marketers are giving some inputs to that process, and that inputs are converted to some output like sales and like profit and like wealth maximization, like need satisfaction, like want satisfaction, like creating demand, etc. etc. are outputs. Inputs may be said as 4 P's and some environmental inputs. And the process part, those all inputs are converted into the output and ultimately creating a situation of win-win. That is what is said as input, process and output, which a system must have, marketing has. So marketing can be said as a system. Marketing is exchange. Is it exchange? Is it about my need fulfillment to your need fulfillment? Something like, let's say, this lecture. I am fulfilling your need, you are fulfilling my need. If it is a class, if it is something like an institution, I am getting the salary, you are getting the knowledge, let's say information. If it is a tuition class, it may be well understood that you are giving me money, I am giving you information. Well, that is what is exchange. Well, I am marketing my information. But better understood in goods segment, like I am giving you some good. Let's say a biscuit, a packet of biscuit. You are going to give me the worth of that biscuit. I mean to say some price, 5 rupees, 10 rupees or whatever. So that is what is exchange, which is there ultimately as a part of marketing. Well, another point which strikes in the nature of marketing is something like marketing directs to satisfaction. Is marketing for satisfaction? Those who don't agree 100%, they can at least agree with the statement that marketing directs to satisfaction. It leads to satisfaction. Satisfaction comes out of that marketing activities. Satisfaction is the ultimate output of any marketing process. Well, that is what is marketing directs to satisfaction. Well, we have to say marketing has its own environment. Well, several environmental factors. Environment of any system can be divided in several parts like micro environment and macro environment. Micro environment are minute factors and macro environment are major factors. Like controllable and uncontrollable factors. Controllable factors are those factors which can be controlled by marketers, and uncontrollable factors are those which are not in the hands of marketers' control. Well, let us say marketing has got its own environment. Marketing has got environmental factors like demographics. Things which can be sold to a 5 years kid cannot be sold to an aged person of a 55. Things which can be sold to a female cannot be sold to male. Well, that demography, economics and several other factors like physical factors or renewable and non-renewable resources, legal factors, several laws affect marketing like pricing policies, fiscal policies and whatnot, cultural factors. Well, all factors affect marketing as a process, as a system, as an activity. Well, let us say another point which comes out of nature of marketing is creative. Is marketing creative? Of course, yes. Marketing is not a science where 1 + 1 is equal to 2 always. Or here 1 + 1 may be equal to 11. Well, 2, 1 putting together. Marketing is creative in terms of advertising, in terms of personal selling, in terms of creating some sales promotion schemes, or in terms of some publicity campaigns. Marketing can be creative in terms of product designs to pricing policies to or any other decisions which are related to marketing. It cannot be taken up as, you can say, those who have taken one step, you take that one step and you are successful. You take step 2 and you may be more successful. You take step 1 and chances of failure are also there. Each and every time marketing is different. Each and every time some new things come in marketing, and that's why marketing is creative. Well, marketing is goal oriented. I'm not talking of those goals which are given to salespersons like you have to sell 30 units. Well, marketing is goal oriented, which has got some ultimate goals of satisfaction at a side and profits or wealth at another side. Well, two parties are there. One, a group of sellers, another, a group of buyers. A group of buyers need satisfaction out of their products. A group of sellers need profits or wealth out of their selling. Well, when that win-win is there, both the goals are equally won. Both the goals are equally reached, and that's how marketing is goal oriented. The last point which strikes in our mind is marketing is omnipresent. Well, starting from your own marketing to a product marketing to a marketing of philosophy by several saints, marketing is everywhere. Think, you are going to an interview, you are marketing yourself. Think, you are meeting your fiancé, you are marketing. Think, you are selling a product, you are marketing. Think, you are purchasing a product, you are marketing. Marketing is everywhere. In our all day-to-day activities, we can see marketing here and there. So marketing is omnipresent. Marketing is everywhere. So in today's class, summing up, let's say marketing is a process. Marketing is integrated process. Marketing is social process. Marketing is also a managerial process. Marketing is customer oriented. Marketing is a system. Marketing is exchange. Marketing directs to satisfaction. Marketing has its own environment. It is creative, it is goal oriented, and it is omnipresent.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.